Welcome to Judge Echo, where we uncover the most shocking legal battles currently sweeping the USA. Subscribe Judge Echo for daily courtroom updates.
Versus Debbie and Julia Martinez.
Ready, Judge, or ready-ish?
She's in Zoom.
Oh, okay. Torshio Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, covering for Ms. Cannon on behalf of Ms. Martinez.
Ms. Martinez, can you get yourself unmuted and state your name?
Julia Martinez. Yeah.
Go ahead, state your name.
Julia Martinez.
Thank you, Judge. Speaking of Ms. Cannon on this matter, my understanding is she was intending to do a waiver of this to circuit court. Ms. Cannon has signed the document, but she was thinking Ms. Martinez would be in person and she could sign it that way.
All right. Ms. Martinez, is your understanding that you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yep.
Okay. You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed or the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them. You understand that?
Yeah. Well, actually, we're going to plead no contest.
We're not pleading
Okay.
yet.
Hold on.
Okay. Yeah.
You may be pleading no contest in circuit court. Is that you think?
Yeah. I believe so.
Okay. So you understand that you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination and you're headed to circuit court. You understand that?
Correct.
Okay. And that means you're not going to have that hearing in here,
Correct.
down here.
Right.
Got it?
Right.
Okay. People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is by not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
March 31st, 1:30 with Judge Hamoud.
March 31st, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Hamoud.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you. Bond will continue.
We were hoping.
Thank you, Ms. Martinez.
Hoping
Pardon?
to lower the bond, possibly. I did ask.
I don't
for that.
have notes to that effect, but Your Honor, based on my client's request to discuss bond, I'd ask the court to consider a reduction. It just sounds like she is intending to resolve this matter at circuit court with a no contest plea. So I ask the court to
Doesn't she?
consider.
I think you have other matters pending, don't you?
Just that that will be resolved in the final trial on the 20th. Yeah.
But you're being held on something else.
On the 20th, it will be resolved.
Okay, who's that before?
Valvo.
Pardon?
Judge Valvo.
Judge Valvo?
Yeah. But she has another, so
She wanted to see
Ms.
how this
Martinez,
worked out.
when you say to be resolved, what do you think is going to happen on the 20th?
Nothing, no charges will be pressed. I believe.
Judge,
Okay, let me ask you this. Are you in Judge Valvo's mental health court?
No.
Is that where? No? It's just a straight case before her?
Yes.
I don't know anything about that.
either do I, Your Honor, what I might suggest is if that case is resolved on the 20th, Ms. Cannon can speak to the prosecutor with Judge Hamoud and see about potentially doing a stip in order to have her released if that works.
I would go on the record
Marvelous.
Go ahead.
that she does have a hold out of nobody for possession of narcotic paraphernalia. And I think we did discuss there's an assault and battery out of 15th District Court.
That's the one point. Yeah, it's not true, and it's going to be dropped. So, yeah, I was hoping. What?
Okay, so here's what we'll do, Ms. Martinez. I'm going to deny the request to change your bond at this point. I'll go with Mr. Feaster's suggestion. If your case resolves on the 20th, you can get your request before Judge Hamoud regarding your release.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All right, thank you.
I saw you on the news, by the way. I saw you on the news.
You saw me on the news?
You looked awesome, yeah. Cheers, man.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't get that much, so I appreciate that.
I have some good endeavors coming up with Dr. J too, so I'll see you later.
Mr. Fowler, who is approaching. Please state your name for the record.
Justin Foley.
Yeah, he's been there.
Huh.
There you
Oh.
go. All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, at this time, we request that this honorable court adjourn this matter for 2 weeks pending media discovery.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned at March 27th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Your Honor, may I address bond real quick?
Doubt.
A bond condition.
No, oh, condition. Okay, no,
Sorry.
go ahead. I didn't know where you were going, but go ahead.
Your Honor, as we know, the purpose of bond is to ensure the safety of the community and that our client appears to court, which he has. He has no history or violations of any drug or alcohol use, and in this specific case, no alleged use of alcohol or drugs. We ask that this court remove his testing requirement so that he can work, and it's been hindering with his work to come in randomly to test, and it costs money. Or we ask in the alternative if we could.
He's on a standard domestic violence condition, and that's where his testing's coming out of.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
I spoke with APA Zenda on this matter, and
How was that?
Pardon?
How'd that go?
Oh, she was leaving it up to your discretion, Your Honor.
What?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't have a position? I'll wait to hear from her. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
So we do ask that that condition be removed, or at least set on a specific time or day so he can arrange his work around that. And I have a paper here, Your Honor, that shows where he works and the time and everything.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that, but fine, I'll take it.
Oh, well, maybe approach actually with it. Please, Your Honor.
You know, if you wanted to approach, you should have led with that. You sit down. You leave her alone. She's fine. Making sure we're all on here. People versus Fuller.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mr. Fuller.
All right. Record should reflect before the system went down, but there was a bench conference in this case. I had adjourned this matter out in case we didn't get it to March 27th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Counsel, was there anything else you want to put on the record?
None, Your Honor.
All right. And okay. In this matter, hello, Miss Slip. Hold on a moment. We'll be right with you.
Okay, I like your shirt.
Thank you. In this matter, there was a request regarding, particularly some modification regarding bond. Counsel is going to submit an order for the court's consideration on that matter, and then the court will execute it, understanding the people are leaving it at the court's discretion regarding the particular condition. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, my turn now.
Is it okay?
It is.
It
So
is?
the answer to her questions, yes. It is your turn now. She
It
says
is
it's
her
my
turn.
turn.
Yes. Court does call the cases. Yeah, you're up. Court does call the cases of the people versus Tamika Slip. All 5 cases.
Hi, everybody.
So there's a appearing on behalf of the people.
Stephanie Cannon, on behalf of Ms. Smith, who is appearing by Zoom. Could you state your name for the record?
My name is Tamika Dwight.
This is me. I just need you to say your name, okay?
Tamika Dwight.
Thank you.
I'm
And Your Honor,
sorry,
I'm
I
asking-
can't say it right.
That's okay. I'm just gonna ask for an adjournment. I know it said 8 weeks, but I don't need an 8-week adjournment. I was having a little bit of, I found out who I needed to work with at the prison. The information I initially had was not correct. So I am going to schedule an appointment, Your Honor. I'll just ask for a 2-week adjournment because they told me I should be able to get in.
In 2 weeks?
I'm in touch with
Okay, well, no, that's fine if you think that's gonna happen.
Your Honor, if
I
it
just-
doesn't happen, I will notify the court and the prosecutor.
And I'm just gonna say, I told you.
You can
She
say
made it-
judge's out.
Yeah. I'm gonna come see you as soon as I can, okay?
All right, here's what I'm gonna do, Ms. Slip. I'm gonna adjourn your case to April 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m., and we'll see each other then, okay?
I didn't see you in the great time.
Take care.
And keep smiling, because when you smile, it makes the whole room lighter.
Okay. That's very nice of you, Ms. Slip.
I was gonna say
You-
that too, Your Honor.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, have a good day, Ms. Slip.
All right, bye-bye, Mrs. Zipka. Everybody.
Morning, Hannah Mackey on behalf of Ms. Kingsley, who is appearing via Zoom.
Ms. Kingsley, can you state your name, please?
Brianna Kingsley.
Thank you.
At this time, we would like to adjourn this matter, please.
All right.
Request to adjourn.
Without objection, probable cause conference, April 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Kingsley.
May I request that be by Zoom?
They'll have to submit the forms, so.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Garrett. Is it Penagel?
Absolutely for the people.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mr. Penagel, who is here in spirit, Your Honor.
Did not tell her to say that.
Yeah, but that may work, I'll grant you. In spirit, huh?
Your Honor, yes, he may be here in spirit, but I think he's drinking in reality.
Wow.
Ben has.
Who invited Lonnie to the?
Nobody. I'm
Nobody.
going to pass the warrant that's already outstanding.
Yes, there already is a community corrections warrant out, so we will leave the no bond warrant out. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I guess that's kind of a spirit.
Have a nice day, Your Honor.
Pardon?
Have a nice